Vivek Wadhwa. Who is he, and why should we listen to what he has to say? Because he was speaking about disrupting industry.
He was indeed. Now, Vivek started as an entrepreneur in the software industry. He has since left the world of entrepreneurship for the world of academia. As you mentioned at the beginning, he is a fellow at the Rock Center for Corporate Governance at Stanford. He's also on faculty at Duke University and Singularity University. And he writes about digital transformation. One of the key things that he studies is the pace or the rate of transformation, because he sees, and I tend to agree with him, that the rate is critical. What he did in the presentation at the Elite 100 conference is talk about a couple of things. Number one is the implications of that rate of change, and the other, the implications of where that rate is going to lead us. And he had some fascinating places where he thinks it's going to go. One of my favorites is based on the growing roboticization of manufacturing. He sees manufacturing returning to the U.S. One of the quotes that he gave was, American robots can work just as cheaply as Chinese robots. And once the cost of actual manufacturing comes down close to equal, then the cost of transportation starts to become a bigger and bigger factor. So if companies can eliminate shipping raw materials and finished goods across the Pacific, it becomes much easier just to manufacture things in the U.S. It was a fascinating talk, a lot of facts, a lot of opinions thrown out in machine gun fashion. But the key that he said was that the pace of digital transformation is such that it's almost impossible to accurately predict where things are going to be in 10 years, because we as human beings aren't used to thinking about change at the rate we're seeing. And so while he was offering a few nearer term predictions, they were with the caveat that even he can't see terribly far in the future, because it's almost certain that technology is going to outpace where even his imagination can take us.